What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SafeMoon token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might affect the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should you expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that from this point or slightly higher we have to have a pullback, and as you can see we have this small movement to the upside, and then we had this retracement. And I've told you that potentially right after we will collect some steam we will hit higher targets, and it happened. The only concern is that we had this movement to the downside as a very shallow movement and as a very shallow retracement. And I have to say that I have some doubts about my Elliott wave breakdown, because we have some concern in it, but I will show you everything, every detail in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. And as you can see, we are sitting at the total market cap of $2.65 trillion. It is a 0.1% increase over the last day. So we are pretty much moving sideways during these holidays. And by the way, guys, happy Halloween. And as you can see, during these holidays, we have some kind of consolidation phase, and we are pretty much moving sideways with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and almost all of the major coins, as you can see. And that's why we don't have much price action, but SafeMoon is on their own page. And let me show you its numbers. Its total market cap for now is $2.89 billion. It is at 23.81% lower than it was previously, and it has a total tradable volume during the last 24 hours at the range of $73.67 million, and it is 8.3% decrease during the last 24 hours. And let me show you right here that this movement to the downside had a slightly bigger volume than we had previously, and it is one of the concerning part of my analysis. But I will show you more details in just several minutes. So, and let's continue with the news related to SafeMoon, and we are on their official Twitter. And as you can see, last time they had 1,123,000 followers, and for now they added about 20,000 followers during last I guess couple of days, because I made my previous video 2 days ago. And let me show you the recent news. 13 hours ago they posted this boarding call: SafeMoon Sunday returns this weekend. And it is a very good information, because in a matter of several hours we will have more information, more recent information about the upcoming action of the SafeMoon team and everything that is related to SafeMoon token. And that's why potentially we might have either positive catalyst or maybe negative, or we will have some flat news. This means the asset might move sideways for quite some time. So, and let me show you right here that we don't have much news related directly to some fundamentals of SafeMoon. We just have that 400,000 downloads in 46 days for iOS and Android, and it is a SafeMoon wallet, and it's quite good milestone, I have to say. And they hit it on October 29th according to this tweet. And on top of that, basically I don't have much new information, and that's why we have to wait until this SafeMoon Sunday will happen, and there we will see some news potentially that might drive the price either way. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you that I had this breakdown that I made on my previous video. From this very bottom, from the lowest point of the retracement so far, we had this is our first wave, this is our second, third, fourth and fifth. Then retracement, and again next movement to the upside. This is the first wave, second, third, fourth, and I had this information as our highest point, but eventually we hit higher price target, and potentially we might have this as our fifth wave. But don't get me wrong, guys, right here if I count it correct, we might have, this is our first wave on the fifth wave. It is a huge wave. This is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, and this tiny wave is the fifth wave. And technically it doesn't violate any rules according to Elliott wave theory. But my main concern is right here. You all know that if we complete all 5 waves on a smaller scale, this means we finished the entire movement to the upside, and this means we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom of the first wave to the very top of the fifth wave. And right here, as you can see, we don't have any pivot points that correlated with our Fibonacci retracement levels. So, and this is the main concern, and let me show you that if I pull it from this very bottom, we have a very good reaction from golden pocket, but we cannot rely on the fifth wave itself, because if we finished fifth wave, this means we finished the entire movement from the very first, and that's why we have to pull it from the bottom. So what should we do if we have this concerning data? Everything is simple. We just have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing low to swing high, from this bottom to this top. And as you can see right here, these major pivot points might be your points of control, and that's why you can rely on this movement as well. And right here, as you can see, we hit exactly the 0.382 level at the price point of 0.004185, and we had a good bounce. And on top of that, let me show you that this blue line is the resistance that I marked previously, and let me show you more thoroughly. If I switch to daily time frame, we have this blue line as a top of our previous swing high, and it is a confluence level with these two tops, and basically it is a rather strong support slash resistance. On top of that, right here, as you can see, we have another support slash resistance, and with our recent price action, as you can see, we hit this range, and from this range we had a retracement, and this is also very technical, and that's why I think this asset is still technical, but we have to see the retracement from this top in a shape of a simple zigzag. And let's continue with the hourly time frame again, and for now we don't have this zigzag. Potentially we might have this as our A wave, this structure is the B wave, and we might land the top of our B wave somewhere here. Then we have to have the bottom of our C wave that is lower, usually lower than the A wave, and we might land it at this somewhere at this price action. So just put it right here for now. And how to define the B wave? To define it, I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, and it is a major pivot points. And what do we have here? As you can see, for now we hit exactly the range of 0.382, but the most probable level of trend reversal is golden pocket, as usual, the range in between 0.65 and 0.618, and we might hit it with the next leg to the upside, and if we won't break it, most probable that we might have a leg to the downside. And you have to be prepared for this, and from this point, when we will have the top of our B wave, I can project the next price target, and potentially we might see the upcoming C wave, and this wave will be next accumulation point to enter your position with this token. So it's rather complicated for now, but if you watch my video for quite some time, you pretty much at the same page as I am. And that's why I think you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!